Before you rush to upgrade your gaming rig, there are some surprising downsides to the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard that you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The ASRock Phantom Gaming Nova Wi-Fi motherboard presents a sleek, modern design with a predominantly black color scheme accented by subtle purple and blue highlights on the I/O panel cover. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, providing flexibility for various build configurations. The layout is thoughtfully organized, facilitating straightforward installation and cable management. But does it exude the premium feel that its competitors boast? One of the standout features of this motherboard is its robust 20+1+2+1+1 power phase design, delivering stable power to the CPU, which is crucial for overclocking enthusiasts seeking to push their systems to the limit. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 ports offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds up to 40 GB per second, enhancing productivity for users who require rapid file transfers or high-resolution display outputs. Additionally, the support for Wi-Fi 7 technology accelerates cloud-based gaming, 8K video streaming, and video conferencing, providing a smoother and faster internet experience. The motherboard supports DDR5 memory modules with speeds up to 9600+ MHz, catering to users who demand high-performance memory for intensive applications. With multiple M2 slots, including a PCIe Gen 5x4 slot, it offers ample storage expansion options, ensuring users can install the latest high-speed SSDs for faster data access and improved system responsiveness. Priced at approximately $350, the ASRock Phantom Gaming Nova Wi-Fi offers a compelling value proposition, combining high-end features typically found in more expensive motherboards. If you're looking to upgrade your system with cutting-edge technology without breaking the bank, this motherboard is worth considering. For the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: limited availability in certain regions, potential compatibility issues with older hardware components, absence of onboard RGB lighting customization options. Pros: robust power phase design for stable overclocking, high-speed connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7, support for high-frequency DDR5 memory modules, multiple M2 slots for extensive storage expansion, competitive pricing for the feature set offered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Also, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on the video for more in-depth reviews and tech insights.